children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is 15 nature trees. Our topic is 15 nature trees. A tree is a perennial plant with an elongated stem or trunk, usually supporting branches and leaves. Trees are the most essential living component in our nature. Trees help to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. They make the environment look lush and green while supplying sufficient coolness to the surroundings. Unfortunately, the rate at which they are being cut down is rather alarming and sad. However, some of the giant trees are very difficult to forget or not notice. However, some of the giant trees are very difficult to forget or not notice. There are many ways you can have varieties of trees. Number 1, based on the leaves. And number 2, based on the seed. The following are some of the various types of the trees across the globe. Number 1, Bayern Tree. Bayern Tree. Bayern trees are mostly seen in different regions of the country and are the national trees of India. Bayern trees are mostly seen in different regions of the country and are the national trees of India. They grow in a special types of soil. Number 2, Neem Tree. Neem Tree. The most common and popular tree of probably every household is Neem Tree. It has bright leaves and goes up to the height of 100 feet. Each part of neem trees is essential for different purposes. Each part of neem trees is essential for different purposes. They are used to treat chickenpox and for various medicines. Number 3, People Tree. People Tree. It is a fast-growing tree having heart-shaped leaves with a large crown. Number 4, Aloe Vera Tree. Aloe Vera Tree. Aloe Vera trees has thick and fleshy leaves with sharp edges, but does not have a stem. It grows in a sandy soil and a sunny location, though it requires to be watered on a regular basis. Number 5, Tulsi plants. Tulsi plant. Tulsi plant is considered as a holy and religious plant in India. The leaves are round oval shaped, which contain essential oil. It has high medicinal values. It provides relief in fever, cold, and cough. Number 6, Amla Tree. The spreading branches and crooked trunk are the prominent features of this plant. Number 7, Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus tree. The leaves of this evergreen kind of tree are of 6 to 12 inches long and 1 to 2 inches broad. The leaves of this evergreen kind of tree are of 6 to 12 inches long and 1 to 2 inches broad. Number 8, Mahogany. Mahogany tree. Number 8. Mahogany tree. It is used as astringent for wound obtained from the bark. It is used as astringent from wound obtained from the bark. Number 9. Tulip tree. Number 9. Tulip tree. It is found in lower dry to wet forest. The flowers are cup-shaped and the leaves are of heart-shaped. Number 10. Sultry. Number 10. Sultry. This tree never go completely leafless. They are used as ointment for skin disease and foot cream. This tree never go completely leafless. They are used as ointment for skin disease and foot cream. Number 11. Turmeric tree. Number 11. Turmeric tree. The stems of the turmeric plant is very short and the flowers are of yellow, white, and pink. It is highly antiseptic. It is used for internal injuries, wound, pimples, etc. Number 12. The maple tree. Number 12. The maple tree. Maple trees has different types like sugar maple, red maple, silver maple, Japanese maple, Norway maple, and paperback maple. Number 13. The oak tree. Number 13. The oak tree. This falls under the group of flowering plants. This falls under the group of flowering plants. There are different types of oak trees present in nature. There are different types of oak trees present in nature. It has simply spirally arranged leaves. It has simply spirally arranged leaves. Number 14. Beech tree. Number 14. Beech tree. The nuts and leaves of beech trees are edible. The nuts and leaves of beech trees are edible. And finally, number 15. Finally, number 15. Common ash. Common ash. It is almost the tallest trees among the trees. It is almost the tallest trees among all trees. The uses of these trees are well known from the ancient periods. It is used to make bows in bow arrow and it is used for many various tools. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload basic art videos and artistic skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from fundamental of art and craft for kids, drawing objects, nature art and nature craft, colors, and a lot more. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.